Good day, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you for joining us here at Banknote Trading, where we take a look at the US dollar pairs in the Forex market. Today, we'll start by taking a look at Euro USD on the 4-hour chart, and we'll start by mapping out the current range that we're in. Euro USD continued to push higher yesterday and has started to retrace back, still in this ascending channel, which theoretically has a high probability that the liquidity under the channel should be taken out before pushing further and targeting the highs. But we are looking at any type of correlation with any other US dollar pairs and any type of fundamental US dollar news. There is news today, FOMC. So we're looking to see if that does impact the prices. If it does continue to push higher, then we'll look for any type of retracement back and any type of buying opportunities in order to see prices push higher. But like I said, theoretically, the high percentage chance that the liquidity should be taken out first should come back in a discount. But if the news is detrimental to like the euro and the other US dollar pairs, then this could just be a reaction from this supply area and to send prices all the way back down. But we'll wait to see if that happens. We've got to look and pay attention close to price action right now. There is no buying opportunity in my eyes. Some people could say have been waiting for a selling opportunity, but it's only taken out this low. This is the 4-hour chart. Hasn't closed below it. Demand is still in control in terms of order flow. It's only, like I said, just peaked out past this the low of the channel, but hasn't closed below the lows from the price action that formed the channel yet. So be on the lookout for any type of reaction after the news. GBP USD, similar chart. Let's go ahead and map out the current range. And this continued to push up also yesterday and started to retrace back just like with Euro. It's been in this ascending channel. We're still breaking highs, forming highs of the range. Has retraced back, hasn't come close to the low of the lows of the ascending channel. Still looking for this to retrace back in the discount and hit any type of demand zone, and then continue pushing higher and targeting the highs from there. But right now, no buying opportunity. It's too high, even though like I said, the news could push prices higher. But we'll wait and see for that. And no selling opportunity. Normally, I would try to sell back into discount, but it's just been so impulsive lately that I have to wait to see the reaction to the dollar index. It's possible that it does retrace back, take out all the liquidity under the channel, and then just continue pushing forward or start pushing prices lower. AUD USD. Let's go ahead and map out the current range of this overall structure. It's been in essentially trading sideways when it is bullish because it did this the low, it formed a high, retrace back, discount, and continue to push high, but it hasn't broken past the highs yet. But I'd be looking for any type of buying opportunity, depending on correlation with any other dollar pairs. Looking for any type of buys when bullish momentum kicks back in order to target the highs of the overall range. Clearly, there's been a change of character. Still, swing structure is bullish, fractal structure is bullish. So, looking for any type of buys to capitalize on. Some people were able to capitalize on this bull flag when it broke out. It just hasn't broken the buyers haven't broken out past the highs of the range, but that's still the target. So looking for any type of opportunities now, depending on how far prices retrace back. If we do, even from this impulse, it has hit 50% from this impulse within the range. So any type of buying opportunities, I will be trying to look to take a buy in order to target the highs. NZD USD, a similar chart, but this has broken out the highs of the range. So this is the current range we're in. Prices have continued to push higher. I'll just be on the lookout for the US dollar news today. It broke out of its channel and continued to push higher, broke the highs of the previous range. So now we're trading here at the top of the range, looking for any type of retracement, any type of pullback in order to continue to push higher prices higher, any type of bullish momentum. Not looking for any sales back down at a discount This didn't. This is the area of demand, and out of this impulse out of that area, this would be discount. But there's no significant area here. This is just impulsive, bull candles. There's no significant area of demand, so I would expect any type of retracement would come back actually to like demand in the of the entire range, unlike AUD USD. So not looking for any sells right now. We're looking for any buys when the buying opportunity happens, when it comes back down into discount after it fully retraces. GBP AUD, and this has continued to push higher. Let's go ahead and map out the current range. Did not retrace back into discount. I am looking for buys since the bullish momentum has shifted in this area. When it has, I was saying when it has been impulsive like this, started to ascending channel, took out some of the liquidity under the channel, and now it has bullish momentum has kicked back in. The buyers have stepped back in. So what I was saying was, in an impulse like this, I was waiting for it to retrace back into discount, but sometimes it doesn't. Retrace back 50%. It just essentially just formed another higher low in premium. So I'll still be looking to capitalize on any type of buys, any type of bullish momentum shift, and it looks like it already has happened. Going to any type of lower time frame to see if there's any opportunities presenting itself today or this week in order to continue targeting the highs and breaking out past and forming new highs. GBP NZD. Let's go ahead and map out the current range. A similar situation. It had formed new highs after an impulse, made a corrective ascending wedge, not corrective way. Started taking out. It took out all the liquidity under the wedge under the channel, and retraced back into discount. And we're looking for any type of buying opportunities, but it has been impulsive. And let's see. So bulls have stepped back in, not as impulsive as GBP AUD, but expect this liquidity to be taken out above these highs. And this movement looks less impulsive as it did before. It looks more corrective, but we'll see if there's any opportunity on the lower time frames, any type of buying opportunities in order to continue to take prices higher and to target the highs of the overall range. But there's no significant stops here. Maybe a gap up here, but the target, just in case the sellers are still selling off, because like I said, this looks corrective, but like this has possibly formed a higher low after the retracement back into discount. So I'm looking for any type of buying opportunities for GBP NZD. And that's all I have for you today. Thank you for joining us.